Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this EstateGuru review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience using the platform. EstateGuru is a peer-to-peer lending platform specializing in personal loans secured by real estate. It acts as a bridge between investors and borrowers seeking funding for property projects, offering a streamlined and adaptable financing solution. Loan amounts typically range from €5,000 to €3 million, with repayment periods varying from 6 months up to 5 years. The platform primarily serves individuals and small businesses requiring loans for real estate purposes, including purchases, refinancing, and development projects. A key strength of EstateGuru lies in its emphasis on secured lending, meaning loans are backed by tangible real estate assets. This security model mitigates risk for investors and can provide borrowers with access to loans at potentially more favorable interest rates compared to unsecured personal loans. Borrowers can apply directly through the EstateGuru platform, and upon approval, funds are disbursed promptly, typically within 1 to 7 business days. EstateGuru prioritizes transparency, allowing you to carefully examine the loan terms, assess the risk profile, and understand all associated fees before committing. EstateGuru is particularly well-suited for borrowers undertaking real estate projects who require swift and flexible financing solutions. It also presents an attractive opportunity for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios with real estate-backed loans, potentially yielding annual returns between 8% and 12%. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that the secured lending process may entail a slightly longer approval period compared to traditional unsecured personal loans. While EstateGuru offers compelling returns for investors and a secure loan structure for borrowers, careful planning is essential. Ensure your project is well-defined and aligns with the platform's specific requirements. This platform isn't designed for smaller, short-term loans, but rather for those focused on more substantial real estate investments and development ventures. For a deeper dive and more information, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.